When you have Kidpower, clap your hands.
Hello, hello. Oh, what's going on? Well, puppy dog, can you come back here just a little bit? Somebody might be on a bear hunt. They might need to see Kidpower Teddy back there. Try it. You see Kidpower Teddy? Good, that's good. Okay. All right. Maree, this is Floppy Dog. There's the gang back there, and we're going to do some Kidpower. What should we do today? Of course, with big ears like yours, that's a really good idea. Let's do some listening power. Can you help me? Oh, thank you. Wonderful. Thanks. Oh, he'd like to show you the listening power sign. Can you hold that with you? Oh, wonderful. Look at that. Listening well does make you smile, just like this little figure in our picture. Listening power can help you really hear what other people are saying. It can help give you time to think about what you would like to say and really hear what's being said to you. Listening power is great, and you can use your listening power to help mum and dad. Because if you're using your listening power when mum and dad are talking to you, then you might find that they're thinking you are really helpful. Do you find that? Yes. Good. Okay. Listening power. Let's all try using that today. Bye for now.